What's up, you guys? Happy Saturday for us and whatever day of the week it is for you. Welcome back to another vlog. You guys really seem to like the vlog that we did last weekend, so we figured we'd just bring you along again. So my dad is here again, and he just wants to say thank you to everybody that thought he was, you know, my husband, or
still got it.
or only like, what? You would have been in your 30s?
30s, yeah.
You know, he appreciates all your kind comments. But so we went off and got a couple other things to finish up some of the projects we're going to do this weekend. We stopped and got lunch at Chick-fil-A, and he's eating. I already ate because it is like noon, and so I was getting hangry. So while he finishes up eating, I'm going to start prepping our dinner. We're going to do chili tonight in the crock pot, and we've done this recipe a few times, and it's super good. And I think I can find it, so I will link it down below if any of you guys are interested in this, but it is really good, and it makes like 10 to 12 servings, so we eat off of it like 2 or 3 days depending on how much we eat at a time. So my dad can't chop vegetables to save his life, so I'm going to start there while he's eating, and then yeah, we'll just kind of show you what we're doing. I think we're going to try and build my makeup table for my beauty room today. We got some bricks to put down along the building like we did last weekend. Are we opening up the pool this weekekend, or we think we're going to do that next weekend? Next weekend. So anyways, you guys, I really hope that you are staying safe and healthy and that you enjoy the vlog. So we'll just go ahead and get right into it. Look at that. Someone better eat it. Huh? I made it less spicy. So who's gonna eat it?
I will try.
Uh-huh. You have to eat a minimum of 2 bowls.
Oh,
Not in one sitting, but you have to eat leftovers.
okay.
Last time we made chili, y'all, someone claimed it was too hot and wouldn't eat it. So she barely ate 1 bowl, and then I had to eat chili. I kid you not, I ate chili for 2 meals a day for 4 days. Y'all don't even want to know what was happening over here after all that. It was not good. So someone, Christy Lynn, has to help me eat this. Stop for Mickey ice cream bar break. Almost done. Okay, you guys. So we have been working without filming for a while now because we were having a very hard time figuring out the dimension for the legs. So the way my table is going to be set up, and you'll see eventually, is that I'm using Alex drawers on one side as legs, as makeup storage. And right now, because I can't order anything from IKEA without being charged $200 for shipping, and the store isn't open due to COVID, we had to make legs for one side that we could remove at some point in time. So we saw this plan for these really cool ones, but they didn't tell you the dimensions, and my dimensions are different, obviously, because it's the height of my Alex drawers. We have been out here for what? At least an hour and a half.
Trying to figure the dimensions.
For the legs. And we actually we didn't use any math. We just actually trimmed until we got it to work for the height that we needed. And so let me show you guys what the leg.
Our geometry teacher would be very ashamed of us. And there's a big fire going on over in our neighborhood.
Yeah. So there's I don't know if you guys can see back there all the smoke, but it's moving that way. For the last like 45 minutes, apparently, we don't know how true this is, but some kids were playing on some property that they weren't supposed to play on, and when they got told to leave by the property owners, they set it on fire. That is what I've been told. I'm not sure if that's true, so don't quote me, but it's huge. So anyways, these are what the leg is going to look like. There's the desk, and obviously my Alex drawer is going to hold one side and this is going to hold up the other. So we actually don't know the dimensions or the angles, but that was the hard part, to get like however long this needed to be to make sure it was supportive enough. The angle to cut here, and then the angle to cut here, and then obviously the top had a certain amount of height. So that top will go underneath here, and it'll probably cover about like in between these two, which should be enough for the time being. But we'll know when we stick it on. So we're about to screw the legs together, because that's not obviously all assembled yet. And then probably tomorrow, I don't know how long we're gonna let this sit clamped. We will try and assemble the leg to the table. I don't know. All I know is that this has been a very difficult journey. And yeah, this is the only thing we've gotten done today because it has taken so long. We are pretty handy, but we are not woodworking people, so this is like really difficult for us to figure out how to do off the top of our heads. But my poor dad, he's been such a good sport. We are going to finish the rest tomorrow, aren't we, Holmes? Can't even see you back there.
Huh?
So I can't even
That's
think.
good fun though, right?
Yeah, we're gonna finish the rest tomorrow, guys, because it's like 6:30. We got a shower. I'm getting hangry. That's happened twice today.
We had a good time, man. We just were
I think it's looking good.
we're not geometry people.
Or woodworking people. But I think it's looking really nice. Like, I feel like it's looking really good. So I'm excited. So,
See you
yay!
back tomorrow.
Thanks,
Then
homie.
We're gonna do laying some block too.
Oh, it's gonna be such a long day. Okay, you guys, all showered and ready to go. So we are getting ready to eat dinner now. This is what the chili looks like, you guys. And oh my God, it smells so good. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to eat this. Look at this. It smells seriously so good. I cannot wait. So with the chili, we are also making some cornbread in there because chili with cornbread is the best. And then we're going to, the recipe calls to put bacon in it, but we're going to fry up this nice fatty bacon, as you can see, kind of with all the fat, not the turkey bacon, thick sliced. And we are gonna fry that up right now to like crumble on top. The first time we ever did this recipe, we put it in the crock pot for the whole time, and while it was good, you know, it was kind of like mushy because bacon is thin. And so we decided that this time we would do it and garnish it on top, and I'm so excited because I'm gonna eat some of the bacon after I cook it. Morning, guys. We are back this morning, ready to try and get the leg kind of situated. So we're gonna try and drill the holes for it this morning. We don't want to attach it because we think we're gonna stain the two pieces separately, but hopefully, fingers crossed, that we get this in here in a way that it'll stay and that it actually works, because we spent so much time on this. I think it looks good. What do you think?
I like it. For people who aren't really good at woodworking, I think we did all right.
Yeah, hopefully it will all work out good, but I think the table looks nice. I'm excited to see how it all comes together and everything, so. Yeah, there you go.
Right here.
Okay, you guys, so we have gotten the first layer of the stain on there and everything situated. Yeah, on the underside. So this is what it looks like right now. I'm super excited. I think the color looks fabulous, and I think like the darker areas are really gonna match my Alex drawer, because my Alex drawer is almost black, but I didn't want the table to be black because I just prefer this brown color. I think we did good.
We did pretty good.
I'm so excited.
We're not carpenters, but we did all right.
So now we are going to let this dry a bit, and we're going to start laying the wood in the back.
Laying block. Not wood.
Not wood. Too much wood talk.
Yeah.
We're starting laying
Pavers.
the pavers in the back like we did last week around the pool, and that should only take us a little bit.
Yeah, look, we got a sunburn.
I know, I showed them last night. Can you turn it around, like here? See if they can see how much worse it looks. Can you guys see that? Look at that.
Yeah, look at there.
I had to put some sunscreen on because I was nervous. Like I said, it'll get kind of brown, but it's kind of red today.
Yeah, if we can get this done, we're going to open the pool next week.
Yeah.
And hopefully things will be pretty good.
Yeah, I'm excited. So, woohoo! I'm so excited with how it turned out so far. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're gonna go do that. So we'll bring you guys along, but you guys already know how that works because you've seen it already. Take over for like 5 minutes, and he starts laying them in the wrong direction. You did lay them in the wrong direction. So we're almost done. We just got to take these ones right here and just flip them around.
Make our mistake up on the underneath the building.
Yeah, we just realized that like we wanted them to look kind of like the same, like both going out like this, if that makes sense. But because of the way that they're shaped, we have to kind of do it all like one continuous loop. So we're just gonna switch these around. Look at them. Axel Pope, what are you doing, buddy? He says, I do not give a crap what you were doing, Mom. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Oh, that's a boy. Oh my good. Do that's a puppy. Let me check. Let me check that.
That look pretty straight going that way?
The one that you're working on right now, the head, needs to go to the building. But other than that, yes.
That get it?
What is it, Brandy Rose? Oh, that's my girl. Oh, that's my girl. Oh my goodness. What's the world's prettiest girl? Oh, Dad, is it you? Yes. Yes.
That's right.
What are we gonna watch, Dad?
Moana, bring a hot chocolate, Mickey Mouse cup. Magic.
Watch Moana. So for now, as you can see, it has a regular leg and then that, and the ultimate goal when all this COVID business is over and IKEA is open, because I'm not paying $200 to ship one of those to me, I will put another one here, and I will have 2 forms of storage in here, because since we're using this room as our office and my filming space. We're gonna have to get a little creative, but I'm super excited. I think it turned out really good, especially considering, look at that thing. Considering, you know, we built it ourselves. Yeah. We did it, Holmes.
We did it. We did okay.
Yeah.
Ain't perfect, but it'll do for government work.
Yep, so thanks for helping me.
You're welcome.
So it's like 7:43, you guys. It's been an all weekend affair.
Yeah, more work.
So what are we gonna do now? Oh wait, what did you think of Moana?
Like Moana, very good movie. Never seen it.
Okay, did you like Moana more than you liked Frozen?
No, I liked Frozen better.
You did?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
What one did we watch last weekend?
Tangled. I like Tangled a lot.
Okay, rank them. And you have to include that Frozen is Frozen 1 and Frozen 2.
Okay. So, I'll be honest with you, I kind of like Tangled a lot.
You like Tangled?
Tangled,
Best?
yeah, then Frozen 1, then Moana, then Frozen 2. Yeah.
You heard it here first, folks. It's official rankings.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Yep.
I really did like Tangled too.
Yeah,
I think
Tangled
that's,
was good. I thought it was good.
yeah, I think that's one of my favorite ones.
I'm still a big fan of the Jungle Book and the Bare Necessities.
Yep.
Still like the classics, Peter Pan.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah.
He hasn't watched Incredibles yet, so that'll probably be what we do next weekend. So that way he can watch both back to back, kind of like we did Frozen. So it's like fresh on his mind,
Yep.
and he can be nice and on it. But that's funny. But I can't believe Frozen 2 was last.
Yeah, because it's hard to beat the original.
It was.
Yeah.
I personally like the first one better too.
Yeah.
Anyways, you guys, we're going to end the vlog here just to call it quits so we can relax for the rest of the night since it is getting kind of late. We really hope you enjoyed this weekend's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. You know the drill. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a brand new video. Let us know what you are doing while you are still like self-isolating and stuff. Give us more ideas of things to do. And if you have anything that you want to see us do, let us know down in the comment section below, because apparently we're going to have quite a few weekends where we don't have anything to do. So leave us those suggestions down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next weekend. Bye!